In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated Gmail profile picture. This process will help you add a touch of personality and flair to your email presence, making your interactions more engaging and memorable. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening up a web browser and navigating to Google Search. Once you're on the Google homepage, in the search bar, type "How to create animated Gmail profile picture" and hit enter. This will bring up a list of resources and guides that will walk you through various methods of animating your profile picture. Take a moment to look through the results to find a guide or service that resonates with you and meets your needs. Each resource will have different features and capabilities, so it's a good idea to spend a few extra minutes finding one that aligns with your vision. Once you've selected a method or service that appeals to you, click on the link to access it. It's important here to check the credibility of the tool or service you're opting for. Reputable websites and services typically have reviews or ratings available, which can help guide your decision. Now, after accessing your chosen platform, follow the instructions provided to create your animated image. This usually involves uploading an image you want to animate. Keep in mind that the quality of your animation will often depend on the original picture's resolution, so opt for a high-resolution image for the best results. Most services will then offer you options to apply animations or effects to your image. You might see options for subtle motions, such as a slight head tilt or blink, or more bold transformations, like adding dynamic backgrounds or filters. Take some time to explore these options and see what each one looks like. A good tip here is to ensure that whatever animation effect you choose still maintains the key features of your image, keeping it recognizable while adding that creative flair. Once you're satisfied with your animated image, it's time to save it. Most services will offer you an option to save the animated picture in a format that's compatible with Gmail, typically as a GIF or other supported file types. Follow the instructions to download it to your computer or device. The final step is quite simple. Head over to your Gmail account, log in, and go to the Settings menu. Locate the settings related to your profile picture, usually found in the General or Account section. Click on your current profile picture to change it. When prompted, upload your new animated image and set it as your profile picture. Once uploaded, take a moment to see how it looks. Sometimes the animation might be slightly different in an email context, so preview it to make sure you're happy with the results. And there you have it, your very own animated Gmail profile picture. This small change can make a big difference, injecting a bit of personality into each email you send.